Hey, Brian Davenport here with another helpful fly tying tip. These cups, pucks that we get flies in, you can take those, repurpose them. Go and get a sponge from Walmart or wherever, little household sponges, they're about that thick. Cut them so that they'll fit inside the puck. Put a little water in there. Close that up so the water that needs a little more water. There we go. Get that good and saturated. Okay. What we use this for, marabou. Tying marabou on when it's dry is kind of a pain in the rear. But you can tame that marabou. Just take it right there. Run that across that sponge a couple times. It simmers it right down so that it's a lot easier to tie in. You can run it through your mouth. I know some people do that, but with the chemicals that they use to color these and treat these, I would not recommend it. And some of the marabou out there, the color bleeds real bad. Black is notorious for bleeding. So it's bad enough getting all that black dye on your fingers without getting it on your tongue also. So this, just a little tip, you can use this with marabou. Another thing I use this for is goose and turkey biots. Instead of putting them in your mouth, the soak and get pliable. If you just put those in here, close the lid, turn it upside down, that moisture will sit in there and make them soft and pliable before you go ahead and wrap them on your hook. Hope that helps you out. Thank you. Bye.